Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Miro boards, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you print your Miro boards? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to print out your Miro board anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that Miro boards can keep your team on track and focused on the same goal. And sometimes you want to print it out and put it on the wall. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Miro dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Miro account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, what you want to do is just scroll through until you find the Miro board that you want to print out. So for example, this one right here. Okay, so once you click on it, it's going to open up your Miro board. You can see mine right here, and we can zoom in a little bit. Okay, so now in order to print off your Miro board, first you need to save it as either a PDF or an image. That's going to be up to you. And how you do that is right here at the top. You want to click on this upward arrow. Once you click there, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to choose one of these, save as PDF or save as image. Once these are saved to your computer, you're going to be able to print out your Miro board. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and save as PDF. Okay, next you get to choose between best quality or small file size. If you want best quality, you do need to have the paid membership. For me, this one's okay, small file size, so I'm going to click on export. Okay, so once you click there, it's going to open up your Miro board, either an image or as a PDF. And then from here, you can go ahead and just print it out as you normally would. So you can just click on print. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to print off your Miro board, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.